Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT TAB 10, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here you'll find the power saving mode. Now for me it's on the second page, as you can see right over here. So once you locate it, simply tap on it. It gives you a quick message that enabling the power saving mode will enable things like the dark theme, turn off or restrict background activity, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. So I'll select turn on, and there you go, it is now running. So that is how you would enable this. And one thing to keep in mind, usually when power saving mode is enabled, it does disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being in use. So that would result in you not getting any kind of notifications from apps that require internet connection like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. So to basically resolve this problem, you turn off the power saving mode. That's basically it. Now anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.